Rule 6. Use specified fall prevention equipment when working at height. Your harness is your connection to safety. Always use a safety harness. Any work done above 2 meters puts your life at risk. Rule 6. Use specified fall prevention equipment when working at height. Even at 2 meters, accidents can lead to severe injuries or even death. Fall arresters are necessary to save your life. Stop. Don't take a risk. You are empowered to stop any unsafe act or condition which may put you or your colleagues at risk. Under no circumstances should you unbuckle your harness when working in a high-risk area. You never know what situation can develop. Never remove your harness when working at height.